Hey guys, so in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to download a modded version of State RP so we can actually get unlimited coins. So let's get into the tutorial and I'm going to show you guys how to download it. So as you can see right now, I'm pretty broke, but I'm going to turn on the unlimited coin setting in a moment and just show you guys. But there's also like skip ads, anti-ban, VIP. So let me just enable that right here and then they should start to go up. So yeah, it's super cool, guys. This is updated. So I'm going to show you guys how to get this State RP modded version for your device, iOS and Android 2025. So let's go. So as you can see now, I'm rich. So first things first, guys, go onto your browser. And we're just going to navigate to this website, tweakmod.com. So once you're on the site, guys, just come up here where it says search for apps. And I just want you to type in State RP. And as you can see, it's the version 9. So go ahead and press install, and it's going to start installing the mod. So this does work on iOS and Android, guys. So you're going to be all set. So let's just wait for it to download here, as you can see. So I'm just going to let it do its thing. So let's just give it a second here, as you can see. All right. So then we are going to be all set. So let's just let it load up. All right. So here we go. So basically, guys, it's time to do the verification. So this is the last step to get the State RP mod. And basically what it entails is you have to download 2 apps and you have to complete the instructions. They're completely free and they're from the official store. So as you can see, we got all these apps here. So just go ahead and download 2 of them. Just press on it and it will bring you to the store. And you can see like Misplay says down install, play 4 games for 5 minutes. Ticks not install, make a 30-second call. So yeah, just do 2 of them, guys. There's a video to watch if you're confused, but that will install the State RP modded version onto your phone, guys. So I'm going to see you in another video, but yeah, be sure to go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you're poor, because this actually works, guys. There's also some other settings in here. There's anti-ban as well. So I'm going to see you guys in another video, but be sure to subscribe to the channel if you guys are State RP aficionados like me. Because let's face it, it's pretty hard to get money in State RP, and there's really no other way to go about doing this unless you install the State RP modded version. So I'm going to see you guys later, but be sure to go ahead and subscribe to the channel, guys. This fully works. iOS and Android, guys. So I hope you guys found it lucky and you were able to download this onto your phone, guys. So I'm going to see you in another video, but be sure to tell your friends about it because this is super cool and it fully works. So if you guys enjoyed the video, peace out.